Hey guys, it's John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC, and today I caved. I finally did it. I got my brand new phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I could not be more excited to get this thing out of the box. Let's look at it. Let's get her open. On the back, 2 strips. Right, kind of see. Very handsome looking phone. Comes with a white cover on the front there. Just flips. It is beautiful. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. My goodness, so excited to use this. What else do we get? Charging cable. It is a fast charging cable. We don't get any type of charging brick or anything like that. There is nothing else in there. That is it. That's what you get. You get a charging cable, and that's pretty much it. There is your iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's how she looks. All right, I'm gonna get it set up and start doing some filming. Just to compare here, I'm going from the iPhone 12 mini. See where that's at with my hand. That right there. So definitely a bigger size comparison, but feels good in my hands. Took about 15 minutes to get everything booted up. 2 things that I learned today. Thing number 1, if you're going to buy a brand new Apple iPhone and you don't need anything from Verizon or anything from your carrier, best just to buy it straight from Apple. The guy at Verizon told me this, believe it or not. I buy all my phones from Verizon because my aunt is a manager there. When I went in there to get my phone, he's like, you're better just going to an Apple store. There is a service fee and then there's an upgrade fee totaling about $65 if you go to your carrier instead of just going to an Apple store to get a brand new iPhone. The nearest Apple store is about an hour away from me. I did not have time to go there today. I wish I would have known that there was an upgrade fee and a service fee. I would have gone to an Apple store had I known that, but I just had to buy my phone today because I was in a little bit of a rush. And the second thing that I learned has to do with your iCloud storage. I cannot be the only person that does not have a backed up iPhone because I have 256 gigs worth of info on here and 5 gigs worth of iCloud storage that Apple gives you. I have a 4 terabyte hard drive that I take pretty much everywhere with me, and anytime that I need to take photos off of my phone, I just airdrop it to my MacBook and then put it on that hard drive. So there's never really been a huge need for me to have a whole bunch of iCloud storage. My friend Kelsey suggested it's $3 to get 200 gigs worth of iCloud storage. Pay the $3 right now, back your phone up, and then get everything set up with your new phone, and then cancel the $3 subscription if you don't want the 200 gigs. And that's exactly what I did. And it is worth saying that your old phone, when you go to update your new phone, it will back your old phone up again just to make sure it gets the most current backup for your new phone. If you spend a ton of time trying to back up your old phone before you even get your new phone, you're wasting your time. That's what I did all day yesterday. I sat there and tried to back up my old phone. Come to find out, you're gonna have to back it up again once you get your new phone. But other than that, this process was incredibly simple. I cannot believe people even still argue that Apple is not the superior product when it comes to this type of technology. AirDropping, iCloud, everything is so easy to use. But I got my new phone. I can't wait to go use it. We're going golfing right now. This is John Reinhardt with Reinhardt Group LLC. Thank you guys so much for all the support, all the likes, all the comments, everything. I'll see you next time.